Hello friends, hope everybody's doing very well. Have a great request for you today. Had one of the fantastic subscribers reach out and say, I need to know what length to get. I've looked at some of your other videos. I appreciate the content, but can you just put a video together for me? So that's what we do on this channel when we can, guys. Today we're gonna be looking at a 10mm Miami Cuban, one of the most popular chains on earth, right? The Miami Cuban. We're gonna be looking at that at an 18-inch, a 20-inch, a 22-inch, and a 24-inch. Let's get into this. The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding. As most of you are probably aware, the Miami Cuban is one of the most sought after chains. So many questions I get about the Miami Cuban. Somebody actually hit me up the other day and said, Joe, you gonna do any videos on Figaro chains? Definitely, I absolutely have that on the list. I've just been getting swamped with so many other ideas. As you guys know, I have a whole bunch of requests from you guys that I'm trying to get to, but I look forward to getting to some Figaro chains, and we got some great content coming up, so stick around. Let's throw on that 18-inch Miami Cuban right now to let you guys know what that looks like. We'll take it 12 feet away to give you the best look that you can get on camera in regards to what it'll look like on you. Remember, I'm 5'6". I weigh 155 pounds today. You're gonna have to imagine you wearing this stuff at the length and the width that it is. Keep in mind my measurements, kind of, you know, tailor it to your style, your weight, your height, but use me as a good reference, and let's get into it. So around the neck, here we have a 10mm, 18-inch Miami Cuban. You can see it's very short. Then again, everything's relative, but to me it's very short. I stick to a 20-inch normally, no matter what I'm wearing. It's always a 20-inch for the most part, like 99.9% of the time. Let's take this 12 feet away to give you guys the best look we can. All right. You guys are going to see a huge difference when we get the 20-inch on. Let's throw that on now. And here we have the 20-inch 10mm Miami Cuban. We'll take this 12 feet back. Check this out. Really look at the difference between the two lengths. There's a huge difference, especially, you know, that difference is gonna really come out based upon the width of the actual millimeter you're looking at, because, you know, as we discussed in a previous video the other day, the wider of a chain you get, the more millimeters you get, that width, that length is gonna actually look shorter. But compare this to the one that we just looked at, you're gonna see a huge difference. This is dropping a whole lot more, whereas the other one was just about here. So it really does make a difference. Some people base their length that they want upon their size, their weight, things like that, or just their personal style preference. Let's throw on that 22-inch. So here we have the 22-inch. Personally, I don't think it looks bad on me for me, but it's just something that would be a little bit long for me to do for an everyday wear. Remember, the longer the chains get, the heavier they get, the more cumbersome they get, the more you move around, the more they're hitting you, things like that. You know, I like to stick to 20-inch chains a lot of the time because I never take them off. The longer something is, in my personal opinion, the less you're gonna kind of want it on. Sometimes I'll wear 22 inches, but a lot of the time, if I'm wearing a 22-inch, I'm wearing it outside my shirt because there's no reason to wear it inside my shirt, and normally I have my chains tucked in, but I'll also layer it with something else. So let's throw on that 24-inch, see what that looks like, and take that 12 feet back. All right, getting super long now in my opinion. Here's the 24-inch. But keep in mind, everybody's different. Some people actually go, you know, 28 inches and stuff like that, and they do that for daily wear. You know, it's all personal preference at the end of the day. So just keep these lengths in mind. What do you personally enjoy? Think about when you're gonna be wearing it, what you're gonna be doing. Are you gonna be layering it? All that stuff is gonna come into play. I think that the longer chains are fantastic when you're looking to layer them with other chains, stuff like that, or you can even have a shorter Miami with a longer chain on the outside. Whatever you want to do, there's no rules. Talk to the guys in the comments because a lot of people own some amazing stuff on this channel. They've been doing this for a very long time. They have a lot of experience with it, and they can give you the best knowledge that they can as far as their personal experience when it comes to your sizing preferences. Really hope that these comparisons help. If I can help in any other way, please let me know if this video did not help you. If you do enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, and share to help other people. The more support you guys lend to the channel, the more this channel is able to help others and help me as well. So thank you guys so much for your time. Be safe. Look forward to talking to you all soon. Catch you guys in the next video.